Pico Magic Art. Magic hat. Let's see what we are drawing today. Wow! It's a Santa Claus. Kids, are you excited?
Yes!
Let's start the outline with a black color. Let's begin with Santa's hat. Now draw his face. Time to draw the eyes. Now we are drawing his big mustaches. Kids, let's do it together.
Yes!
We are drawing a big happy mouth. Our Santa's face looks cute.
Awesome!
Now let's draw his dress. He has a very big belt. Now we are drawing his pants. Kids, let's do it together.
Yes!
Let's draw his hands. See kids, our Santa is ready to color. Coloring time. Let's color the red part, starting with the hat. Kids, let's do it together.
Yes!
Now we are coloring his dress with this same red color. Kids, did you like it?
Yes!
This looks beautiful. Let's color his face with skin color. Kids, let's do it together.
Yes!
bright pink color for the tongue. Black color for the eyes. Same black color for mouth. For the beard and mustaches, we are using gray color. Kids, let's do it together.
Yes!
Kids, did you like it?
Yes!
Using same color for eyebrows. Dark gray color for the belt and boots. This looks beautiful.
Yes!
We are using yellow color for this buckle. Wow, kids! Our Santa looks amazing.
Wow!
Great job, little artists! Merry Christmas, kids!
Hooray!
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun drawing adventures. Keep creating magic. See you next time.